What is VeChain? The short answer, VeChain is a blockchain solution that gives companies a way to track their products in the supply chain. Imagine if objects could talk. They'd have a story to tell. Today, more and more of our things are connected to the internet and to each other. They collect and share information. This frenzied tangle of data is called the Internet of Things. VeChain combines Internet of Things technology with a blockchain to digitize the supply chain. Let's say you're at the supermarket. You want to buy a tray of ready-made sushi, like the sushi expert you are. But how can you be sure that it's safe to eat? When sushi gets warm, well, that's bad. VeChain provides you with a foolproof way of checking if the product you're buying has been handled in accordance with food safety standards. By scanning a QR code, RFID, or NFC tag, an app shows you everything you need to know about the product. If you come across a spoiled product, the app will warn you and tell you why it's unsafe to eat. Through the unique ID tag that's attached to the products, the system is aware of their entire history. Sensors on the product pick up on temperature variations and collect data on its environment. That information gets attached to VeChain's decentralized blockchain. The great thing about a blockchain is that it's tamper-proof. Information that gets added to it can't be changed, so the customer can be sure that the information they receive about the product is accurate. By creating an immutable record of the product's origins, VeChain can also help to stop the rampant rise of counterfeiting. Think about it. When you know the history of a product, you know where it came from. By using VeChain's blockchain, companies can optimize their supply chains, stop product counterfeiting, and gain the trust of customers. But there's more. VeChain is going to be an innovation toolbox for Fortune 500 companies. Its blockchain will support decentralized apps, smart contracts, and even ICOs. Eventually, it'll support more than 10,000 transactions per second. That's pretty damn fast. Currently, VeChain is in the midst of a grand rebranding campaign, after which it will be known as VeChain Thor. Yep, after the hammer-wielding god of thunder. After the rebranding, their new blockchain will be up and running. With that, VeChain will introduce their own economic system to fund the project and power the blockchain. So, what's that all about? The VeChain ecosystem is based on two cryptocurrencies that help to keep the system decentralized. The first one is called VET, V-E-T. It's mainly a store of value and can be used to make smart payments. When VET is kept in a dedicated wallet, it'll automatically generate interest in the form of a second coin, known as Thor Power tokens. Thor Power is the fuel that keeps the entire system running. Every time someone wants to add information to the blockchain, Thor Power is spent. 70% of that spent Thor Power is taken out of circulation. The other 30% are awarded back to people who hold the most VET coins in their wallet, so-called authority masternodes. A node is created when somebody keeps a specific amount of VET coins in their digital wallet. There are 4 kinds of nodes in the VeChain ecosystem, and each one has special perks. Authority masternodes are the most important ones. Their owners validate transactions on the blockchain. For that, they receive the greatest bonus in Thor Power. The other 3 nodes are economic nodes that keep the economy stable and prevent price fluctuations. For that, they too receive a Thor Power bonus. Next up, let's take a look at VeChain's partnerships. VeChain has been able to secure some really exciting partnerships over the past year. Among them are some household names like Kuehne + Nagel, the European car manufacturer Renault, but also DNV and PricewaterhouseCoopers. PricewaterhouseCoopers is one of the largest auditing and assurance companies on the planet. They have literally thousands of clients that are in need of authentic data. VeChain's blockchain can provide them with exactly that. It's a match made in heaven. DNV is a global quality assurance and risk management company that provides services for many different industries. A big part of their effort is devoted to cold chain logistics and food safety. VeChain can help them to fundamentally innovate the way they track food products and manage supply chains. That's it. I hope you liked this brief introduction to VeChain Thor. Please visit vechain.com for additional information.